Prepare to slay the beauty game. These makeup ideas will elevate your look to new heights. From fierce and daring to soft and romantic, get ready to unleash your inner glam. Here are some makeup ideas that will surely spice up your looks. Let's take a look. Create a stunning ombre lipstick look with these steps. Choose 2 shades of lipstick in the same color family, one lighter and one darker. Apply the lighter shade to the center of your lips. Then, use a lip brush or your finger to blend the darker shade from the outer corners towards the center, creating a gradient effect. Gently press your lips together to blend the colors seamlessly. For added dimension, you can add a touch of lip gloss to the center of your lips. Rock your beautiful ombre lips and get ready to turn heads. Create a stunning brown shade makeup look with a bold red lipstick as the focal point. Start by applying a warm, neutral brown eyeshadow to your eyelids, blending it softly into the crease. Add depth by applying a slightly darker shade to the outer corners. Line your upper lash line with a brown eyeliner for definition. Next, apply a lengthening mascara to your lashes. Let's check this one. Create a captivating cat's eye makeup look that exudes elegance and allure. Start by applying a neutral eyeshadow base all over your eyelids. Next, using a black or dark-colored liquid eyeliner, draw a thin line along your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and gradually thickening it as you reach the outer corner. At the outer corner, create a flick by extending the line slightly upwards and outwards, following the natural curve of your eye. The angle and length of the flick can be adjusted based on your preference and eye shape. Ensure that the flick is symmetrical on both eyes. Get ready for a stunning makeup transformation. Start by prepping your skin with a hydrating primer. Apply a medium coverage foundation that matches your skin tone to even out your complexion. Next, focus on your eyes. Use an eyeshadow palette to create a desired eye look, whether it's a natural, everyday look or a smoky, glamorous effect. Define your eyebrows using a brow pencil or powder for added structure and shape. Add a touch of blush to the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush. Remember, the beauty of makeup is its ability to enhance your natural features and express your individual style. Feel confident and embrace your stunning makeup transformation. Achieve a beautiful and natural makeup look that enhances your features. Start with a lightweight, sheer foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone while allowing your natural beauty to shine through. Conceal any blemishes or under-eye circles with a light concealer, focusing only on areas that need extra coverage. Set your base with a translucent powder to minimize shine. Finish off with a sheer lip balm or a nude lipstick that enhances your natural lip color. You can also dab a bit of the blush on your lips for a subtle, monochromatic effect. Conceal any blemishes or under-eye circles with a light concealer, focusing only on areas that need extra coverage. Set your base with a translucent powder to minimize shine. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. What style do you like? Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.